everyone, myself Architect Mayank Sharma welcomes you all on my YouTube channel Architecture Learning Simplified. In my upcoming videos, I will discuss basic 3D objects and demonstrate the impact of sunlight on them by creating shadows. In the first video of this series, I will discuss the sciography of a cube. As we all know, a cube is a 3D object with 6 square faces. We will first show its projections, satisfying the asked conditions. To do that, we need to first see that cube should be 5 centimeters above HP. So this we can only see in VP. We can cross check by counting on the grid in VP as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 in the 3D illustration. And similarly, rear vertical face lies in the VP. That condition we can clearly see in HP. And now further, we will do the nomenclature of this cube so that we can solve for it easily. You can also see the 3D illustration and check for this nomenclature in VP and HP accordingly. So let's start solving for this cube using this nomenclature. So first of all, as we have solved in our 2D objects in my previous series, the method will be followed in the same way. That to locate B, we need to first draw a line at an angle of 45 degrees in HP, touching the reference line and transferring it vertically in the VP. And in VP, we will do similar thing, that we'll draw a line at an angle of 45 degrees so that we'll get the intersection as B dash. To locate M dash, condition will be similar as we have solved for B, only difference will be in the VP, that we'll draw a line at an angle of 45 degrees starting from M and intersecting that vertical line at M dash. Now I have to hide the color of this cube to draw for L vertex. At an angle of 45 degrees, line will be touching here on the reference line, then vertically in VP it will be going like this, and from VP also we will get the intersection at this point. Actually we have to locate for these 3 points only, because C, N, D, P, these 4 vertices are already touching the VP, and A, which is the upper front left corner, it will not form any shadow, but lower front left corner, this vertex L, it will be casting its shadow at this point. So the sciography profile will be this one and shadow will be in this style. So this will be the final solution to this question. We can also solve it using side elevation. So let's do the nomenclature of the side elevation also. We can use any of the 2 combinations to locate this B dash, M dash and L dash, either VP or AVP, auxiliary vertical plane, or HP or VP. Any of the 2 combinations we can use, but we cannot use AVP and HP only because shadow is actually casting in VP. So it's better to use VP along with AVP or HP. So if we use AVP and VP in a combination, we will have to draw a line at an angle of 45 degrees in this way in AVP and then transfer it horizontally in the VP, and VP also we have to draw a line in this way so that we'll get an intersection at this point as L dash. For M dash, line will be same in AVP. In VP it will be like this. We'll get a location of M dash at the intersection. Similarly for B, I would have to hide the color of it, line at angle of 45 degrees, then transfer horizontally in VP, and from VP also I have to draw a line at an angle of 45 degrees so that we may get the intersection as B dash. So again we'll get the same solution to it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one.